Mistakes happen, but when working at height, they can cost lives. Dennis, what are some common mistakes workers make when using fall protection equipment, and how can they be avoided?
That's a good question and really an important one. A couple of the examples that we see as common mistakes are one, not understanding all the risks associated with the hazard, such as fall clearances, confined space risks, swing fall potential, whether that application should be classified as leading edge or not, and really there's more, but the importance of executing a comprehensive hazard assessment and then working through the hierarchy of controls to find the most effective way to mitigate that hazard to help protect your workforce is clear. The second is around rescue, and really a well-developed rescue plan can be the difference between life and death. On top of that, the plan should be reviewed, practiced, and adjusted as needed. There are times where applications are added or changed on the site, and your rescue plan should consider these.
I feel unprepared for not having a question on leading edge, but if people want more on that, they can look up your company, our company. We'll get you what you need. So I think this is a decent follow up. What role do training programs have when working at height? Do they adequately prepare workers for real world scenarios?
So a continuous training is an important part of the fall protection program. As I said before, applications change, sites change, roles change. Having current knowledge and application training on all the hazards present on your site, knowing how to best mitigate those hazards, and how to quickly and effectively perform a rescue operation can put you in a better position to avoid injury and potentially save lives. Now, with that said, MSA offers comprehensive training across many of these subjects: safety at heights, competent person, confined space, and honestly, many more. But many of these training courses can be taken either in person or online. We can work with your company to set up training programs that can be tracked through our MSAU platform, helping to ensure anyone that needs to be in compliance with the training you demand is.
Confined space is one that I always forget exists. Shame on me. Uh, so I did some homework, maybe just enough to be dangerous here, but it looks like MSA recently introduced new safety helmets and PFLs, personal fall limiters. First of all, is that correct? And then second of all, if so, how do they in particular keep workers safe?
Yeah, that's correct. It is definitely an exciting time for us here at MSA. As you mentioned, we recently launched the VGuard H2 safety helmet and our VTech PFL. Our new VTech PFL, or as you mentioned, personal fall limiter, is a class one device designed for non leading edge applications. It is one of the most compact and lightweight self retracting lanyards ever developed. The compact design focuses on performance without compromising comfort or productivity, utilizing field tested, lightweight, highly durable composites and metals. The VTech is one of the lightest PFLs on the market. Simplicity was also a focus for us during the design of the VTech, utilizing things like color coding for quick product selection, labeling that includes fall clearance charts, and a clear casing that allows for easy pre-use inspection of the internal components. Switching over to the VGuard H2 safety helmet, this is really designed with the customer in mind, providing outstanding comfort and versatility while incorporating the latest technology to help protect against lateral impacts. The VGuard H2 is available in both vented and non. So, depending on your hazards, this will allow you to choose Class E for added electrical protection in our non vented version, or added cooling to help mitigate heat stress in the vented version. Both versions come standard with things like integrated chin straps and antimicrobial treatment soft goods that are both replaceable in the field. And while there's a number of other features that set the VGuard H2 apart, for the sake of time, I really just want to touch on one more. VGuard H2 safety helmet provides the option of the MIPS brain protection system for industrial safety helmets, which offers additional rotational impact protection to help reduce the risk of traumatic brain injury resulting from an impact.
Anytime that you can have a brain protection system, you want to look into that.
100%.
Dennis, this has been great. Thank you for talking today. Appreciate your time.
Absolutely.